Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Romi's Vlog.
Hi.
And this is my sister. Introduce yourself, sister.
Hi, my name is Tarika.
And today we are going to do mukbang video and with my sister. So this is panipuri, puska, and water, puska pani, and Maggi, and we have got some Maggi and pomegranate juice. This is for my sister, take it. And this is mine. So cheers.
Cheers.
So we are going to start our video. And guys, please subscribe to my channel and give comment and like. So going to start our mukbang video. And this is our so we are going to start with puska. And I'm going to add some chana inside it. And water and oh, you have started eating. Oh, cheers, cheers, cheers. So this is my first bite. It's so good, guys. It's so good. It's so yummy. What is that? Camera. Cinnamon. Maggi. It's too good. She is my real sister, guys. Do we look similar?
No.
Comment down below, guys, that do we look similar or not. Today's weather is so good. Maggi. Asam dapat itu dapat sebenarnya no? It's almost going to finish, guys. Udah nih langsung jus lah, langsung nanti ngambil dia.
Saya menambah angin.
My God, so sweet.
이게 다 내가 원해.
Megan Puska. Must by must. Perfect. Oh, today we are twinning white. We love white. Guys, though she is thin, but she can eat lots of. Don't judge a book by its cover, guys. I think we should do next time like challenging video who can eat more. If you want to see it, then please comment down below, guys. Oh my god, my hair is flying. Eat some more. Complete it. We can't waste food. Not. Sampai. Kembalinya apa? So guys, we are done eating, almost done. So if you guys like our video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel Rome's Vlog, and we will making more videos like this. If you like this video, then please comment down and we will make it more video.